Okay, so I have this old LaserJet printer. This is a LaserJet 2100 from 1990 something, and I have that connected over an Ethernet wire, that white wire, to this Windows computer running Windows 10. So here we have Windows 10 computer. You can see the printer goes into the Ethernet cable here, the white cable, right there. This computer communicates with the outside world with Wi-Fi to a router downstairs in the house. And this is typical Windows 10 stuff here. So there's the typical Windows 10 screens and complaining about sticky keys and all that. Okay, so if we fast forward here, I have this Windows 10 machine, so the Windows 10 computer over here, that Windows 10 computer there, is connected to my home Wi-Fi router. Here's the home Wi-Fi router. This is a MacBook Pro, and the MacBook Pro is running High Sierra. I want to use that computer, that printer on that computer. So on the Mac Pro, I have dialed up my Wi-Fi router, and you can see the name of that computer over there in Windows 10 is called Win10 Desktop, and I have it giving me a static IP there of 250, so it's called Win10 Desktop. So if I go here on the Mac Pro to the system preferences, and we have now printers and scanners still listed there. So here I want to do an add of a printer. So let's see here. I'm going to hit plus to set up a printer. And after some experimentation, I found the only way to do this is to hit Windows 10. Or hit Windows here, hit Windows. Where it says work group, it will eventually scan and find the work group. Okay, I'm sorry. In the work group called work group, the group called work group, it'll find my Windows 10 computer eventually. So there's my Windows 10 computer. I don't like that name, but oh well. Here we go. Click. You're attempting to connect to the server. Connect. Okay, yep, I gotta put a name in here and a password. So I did make the name the same on both computers, and the password over there, I'll type that one in. Let's see what happens. Connect it. And what happens? Okay, wow. So it found out over there that it's an HP LaserJet printer, which is good. That's what it is. There's the name, location. So for a driver, I want to give it an HP driver. So let's go select software. And I'll put in 2100 here. And there's the 2100 printer. Let's do that and see how we go here. Add location. Upstairs, secondary bedroom. Upstairs, second bedroom. And that should do it. Add. Now it's adding it up. Do I care about any of this stuff? No. It's creating it. It's saying it's idle. That's a good sign. Okay, so look at that. There's now the print queue on my MacBook running High Sierra, and there's the printer on the Windows 10 system that's sharing it. So does this really work? I guess we gotta print something. So options and supplies, open print queue. There's usually like a test button on this thing. There's the print queue. Nothing in there. Settings, what can I do in here? Not much. Okay, cancel. Cancel that. Options and supplies, what can I do in there? Options, wow, look at that. What is it now? Driver level, look at that. Options. Supply levels. Okay, so it can't tell me how much ink is left or toner is left. And that's about all I can do from here. And I guess here I could share the printer to other Macs and things like that. It'd be doubly shared. Okay, what can I print on here? Anything worthwhile printing? To see if it actually works, I gotta find a document. That might be the hardest part of the whole thing here, is what can I print? Well, let's see. Documents. Documents, documents, documents. Something small. There is my resume, I think, or something like that. There's my resume. Let's try and print that. There it is. Open it. Let's do a print. There's the Hewlett-Packard printer. Print. Let's see if it works. The printer is not blinking. The Windows system looks like it's running. So that doesn't give me a lot of confidence. Let's see if I can log on to Windows here. I wonder if I gotta be logged in. I doubt it, but let's see. Okay, I'm logged in. I don't see any print queues on Windows. Computer's running. Printer's on. Let's go back and check the Mac and see what's going on. Looks like I got a red light on the printer here on the Mac. Let's see what's going on. Hold for authentication. So it looks like it is not working with the correct password. So I think we're close here, but no cigar yet.